Hi, it's Beck here from RhinoCo Technology with your weekly update. It is springtime, which means the sun is out and the days are getting longer. It's also the perfect time to install the ENSA micro solar power station. These are an integrated solar panel and battery. They are mounted on top of a pole and allow you to connect electrical equipment almost anywhere. This stops you from having to dig a trench or connecting to the main grid. They either have a 12 or 24 volt DC output and come in 4 sizes. Each panel is integrated with an LED light and motion sensor. They are a great solution for a range of projects, including remote control gates, lighting up pathways, Wi-Fi hotspots, and remote CCTV installations. For more information, please make sure you give us a call on 02 9671 6711 to speak with your account manager. Secondly, with spring comes spring cleaning, and we're having a huge spring clean on a wide range of products. Keep an eye out in your mailbox for regular clearance deals on refurbished and ex-demo equipment. We're also having a flash sale. Now they're only valid for 1 day, so definitely keep your eyes peeled. Feel free to contact us on 02 9671 6711 to speak with your account manager, or call into one of our branches, which are at Haberfield, Villawood and McGraths Hill. Bye for now.